Alright, next we're going to be doing the percussion for the lungs to see what noise it makes. You want to make sure your fingers are flat. You want to find in between her ribs to feel that lung. Then you're going to hit the end of your joint and go up. Then go back laterally. And next, we're going to do auscultation. So we're going to be listening for any gurgling or anything that's wrong. You kind of want a smooth breath. That's what's normal. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in.